Friends, so in this video we will learn how to sort the table on the basis of selection. Okay, so now I am selecting this product. Okay, now product is here ABC. Now I want to sort lowest. Okay, now similarly if I want to sort by weight. Okay, so how can I sort this weight? You can see here my product, and if I want to hide. Okay, so how can we do this? Okay, so first of all I am copying this table here in new sheet. Okay, now here I will create two command box. Okay, I am here leaving is new. Okay, so this is the macro code. You but I am doing this from the beginning. Okay, so simply just here write button. I will write here edit text. First. Okay, now I will create here dynamic range d2 followed by column. Okay, I will use data validation to get dynamically data header. Here just select manually by mouse cursor. Okay, so now you will get all the header name here, price, weight, whatever you want. Now what you have to do now, create here I will assign here sort my header lowest. Okay, now first of all I will give the syntax how can we do this. So first of all you will have to select the range. First your range table start from D5. Okay, so your table range will be the D5 current region, so it will select all this table. Okay, and simply put here sort. In here there is one argument, you can find here range. I will explain it later. And Excel order, and one is equal to Excel ascending. Okay, and Excel header is equal to Excel yes. So what is the error here showing is column is not there, that's why it was showing. Okay, now suppose if I put here this should be header. Okay, now suppose I put here price G5. Okay, so what will happen? But I don't want to change manually into this cell again and again. Okay, so I will create dynamic code. So when I change any cell here, then and click, then automatically it will change, and I don't need to change here again and again same. So I will call this here my header, and first of all I will store this header into specific variable. My range D5 to hi-fi. Okay, I want to sort this. Simply I will run for each loop, for each are in my range header. Now whenever you want to run loop in cell, you have to set this, so it will store in specific variable permanently. Okay, so I will call this if range d2 to value is equal to HR, then my header dot address. So this will store cell references like A5, G5, all these things. Try to get on the basis of weight. So weight should be short. Now it's showing error. Why? Because I have not put it here. Again I will sort this. So this time this has been sorted successfully. Now I want to sort by price. It will sort by price, weight, and if you want to this highest, then copy this again. In here, just write it. Similarly, copy this entire cell. Entire code, paste here as it is, change only lowest to highest, and here Excel scanned into Excel. Then press control space and this will show you. Okay, now only change assign macro here to highest. That's it. If you want to change this by highest, this will show highest. See this code. This code will help you. Only this code is main, and you will have to put one time manually header here, and all things will be dynamic once you set this manually, range and your this range. Then all the data will show on the basis of this when you click on one button from both of these. Thanks for watching.